Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my video. And today I'm going to show you how to make a profile view in Civil 3D. We're going to be starting the video by adding a point file and talking about some of the salient features of Civil 3D. This will be an introductory video, and I will make more consecutive videos in the next few days. So let us get started. First of all, I'm going to open Civil 3D here, and I'm going to make a new drawing. I'm going to save this drawing as Dhulikhel because this is the place of which I have the point files for, so it is going to be easier for me to organize my files that way. So let us check the point file. Point file is simply a CSV file or Excel file which has the required data to make a surface. So these are usually extracted by fixing your stations by making an open traverse or a closed traverse, and then we have to make a gauge table, and after we have set the stations and know the exact locations, the spot surveying can help us to extract data as such. So this will be the serial number of our data in the first column. In the second column we have the easting. In the second column, in the third column we have the northing of our points. In the fourth column we have the elevation or the reduced level from datum, which is going to be z value. And in the fifth column we have the description of the points. So we're going to close this point file here. I'm going to close the file explorer here as well. And in our drawing, if we are in Civil 3D workspace, in the tool space here, so if I turn on the tool space, we can see that the surfaces currently, since this is a new drawing, there are no surfaces. So I'm going to create a surface here. I'm going to name this surface as Dhulikhel and hit OK. And now I have a surface, but it has no data. So when I select it or try to zoom extents like Z, and then we are going to hit extents, nothing happens. So in the definition of the surface, I'm going to add a new point file. I'm going to add a new point file like this. So hit all files here and add the Excel sheet. Currently I have a CSV file, and we are going to select the type of structure the point file has. So we have a point, easting, northing, elevation, and raw description. So this is our structure. So we can also make it like point, northing, easting, elevation, and description, but since this is our structure, we're going to choose PENZD. These points were provided by JICA, and they're available freely on the internet. So you can find contours of your nearby areas if they have been published online. So I'm going to hit OK, and since there are no errors, the event viewer had a success. We're going to click on the tick mark here, and we're going to zoom to the extents. And now I'm going to select this surface here and look at it from a 3D perspective, and we can see that the surface and the contours are made perfectly, but when I stop pressing shift on my keyboard, we can see that it is actually a TIN surface, that is a triangular irregular network. Okay, so but we can gain the information that the right side is of a higher elevation and the left side is of a lower elevation. So let us try to replicate this, or try to replicate our theory here. Okay, so we're going to make a polyline. I hit P line or PL, and we are going to start from a higher elevation, go towards a lower elevation, then go again towards a higher elevation, and then go back to a lower elevation. So this will be our alignment here. I'm going to go to the home tab, alignment, create alignments from objects, and our polyline will be the object. I'm going to hit enter. The direction is correct, so there is no need to reverse it. I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to remove add curves between tangents. So I'm deselecting this option. I'm also deselecting erase existing entities, but you can do whatever you want on that one. I'm going to say this is our demo alignment. Okay, so we can have some label sets here. So we can add a perpendicular with tick, and this we can add it at maybe like 50-meter intervals. Okay, okay, and okay. So as you can see, this is the chain is 0, 50, 100, 150, all the way to around 382. Okay, now I'm going to go into profile, create a surface profile, and I'm going to select the surface as Dhulikhel. The alignment is the demo alignment here. I'm going to add, draw in profile view, and here you have a few options. In the general options, we have the profile view style. I'm going to edit this, and we have a few tabs here. The scale will be of 1, so we have a 1 to 1 scale. The grid will be clipped like such, and the rest I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to hit apply. Okay, the profile view height will be from around 1500 lower value and to 1550, and then that is about it. I'm going to create a new profile and click on it. Here you can see that it did not follow the exact instructions that I gave it. That is, it did not start from 1500 and it did not end at 1550. So there is a lot of wasted space here, and there is not a lot of space below. So this drawing has now been corrupted a little bit. The easiest solution is just to save this file, close it, and then open it again, and we can go into the documents, open the file again, and try to make a new profile like so. We're going to hit add again, draw in profile view, and let's see if it works now. 1500 to 1550, create a new profile view, and still it does not work. So I'm going to try to edit the view style, and let's see, nothing is happening here. Okay, let me try to again, profile view properties, elevations, the height will be, I'm not going to split the profile view, and let's see. Oh my god. Okay, so maybe the problem was that the profile view was being split. So let me try it again here. I'm going to split the profile view at all from 1500 to 1550, hit apply, and again there needs to be some adjustment here. The elevations from 1500 to 1550, And okay, let me try to hit the style here and hit apply. Okay, let me see here. So there is a bit of a problem here. So let me try to make a new profile again. I'm going to add the Dhulikhel. Might be able to remove these, but I'm not able to right now. Doesn't matter. So I'm going to make a new profile view in the graph. This will be a 1:1 scale. Okay, so this will vertical exaggeration will be 1. Okay, and okay, now profile display options. Yeah, okay, the height will be from 1500 to 1550. Create a new profile view, and yeah, it's still not working, right? So properties, elevations, I'm going to remove the splitting, and okay, now it has made progress. We're going to go into profile view properties here and hit from 1500 to 1550 and hit apply. Okay, so the profile view is coming up quite nicely here, from up to down to up to down. So up to down to up to down. It is going quite well. Okay, now let us check the station tracker. Station tracker all. Okay, station tracker all, and as you can see here, we have tracked the station. It's going down, then up again, and down. Okay, so we're going to station tracker off. Okay, now the text on the y-axis is quite cramped, so we're going to go into profile view style and vertical axis. Here we are going to have an interval of 10 and a minor tick interval of 2. Let's see if that works. It works quite nicely now. So from 1500 to 1550. Okay, maybe the right one also 10 and then 2. Apply. Okay, okay, now this is a quite a nice profile view, and you have a lot of options after this one. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make sample lines and cross sections in the same video, in the same alignment. Okay.